I'm Price Diars, and from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep, Newton's laws are in effect in your life, every second of every day. And today, we're going to test some of those laws. So, I've been having some issues with my pet rock lately. And I've decided I'll try a new approach. Now, this new method is pretty simple. It's Newton's first law.
The first law, according to NASA, states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by an action of an external force. Now what this means is that any object in a position, a stationary position, will stay in that position unless it's acted on by an unbalanced force, whether it be a push or a pull. Now, if a box is already moving, then according to Newton, then this box should continue going until something else pushes it back. Now, as us Earthlings know that this object isn't going to go forever on Earth due to friction, and this object can't be pushed with just a flick of a finger because of friction.
And according to Newton, if my pet cinder block is lounging by the pool and I don't do anything to it, it will remain lounging by the pool. So, let's check it out.
2 hours later.
Well, would you look at that? He's been sitting there for several hours and he's still there and I haven't done a thing. Thanks, physics. I'm out here in my front yard. I'm gonna test Newton's third law and see if these objects are harder to move than that object.
The second law, according to NASA, explains how the velocity of an object changes when it is subjugated to an external force. Now, in further detail, this basically solidifies the force equals mass times acceleration formula. And if you want the same mass to accelerate faster, the force would also have to increase.
I'm gonna approach these items scientifically, and then I'm just gonna get a feel for it. First item we're gonna kick is gonna be my shoe. Lunchbox, water jug, the good stuff, and the really good stuff. Not gonna lie, pretty impressed by these items. You know, put up a good fight. Now onto that. Yes! Yes! Success! But it definitely took a lot of force. Much more force than the other items that I kicked. I'm in my truck right now on the way to the blast site to film Newton's third law. And by that I mean shoot off bottle rockets.
According to NASA, the third law states that for every action in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, take a gun for example. When the gun fires a bullet traveling at 2,200 feet per second, there's gonna be some kickback on the gun and to whoever's holding it.
If my calculations are correct, these should fly yonder, wherever I point them, because it's bottle rockets.
Put some music in the background, please.
We have arrived. Just hit the car.
Oh, shit.
Clay vision. It shot towards me! You son of a